Hey guys, it's Kat again. Today I wanted to do a unboxing, unpackaging of new glasses that I got from Firmoo. I got these a few months back, and I went back on their website just to kind of see what new stuff they have, and I fell in love with these glasses and I had to get them. So I bought them, and I wanted to be surprised or excited to open them with you guys, so you guys can see my reaction, my real reaction, I guess. Super. I mean, their stuff on their website, I don't know. It's they're more up to date, and they have like these cool styles. They have a style for everyone, like everyone and anyone. So, but when I saw these, I was like, those are me, and I'm gonna have to get new ones. So, and their prices are phenomenal. And I also get a buy one get one coupon, which I'm going to put down there, and I get a 15% off coupon for my viewers, subscribers. So check that link down at the bottom. But I wanted to do these. I'm excited, really excited. Okay, so I thought these came from China, but it says South El Monte, California that they came from. So I'm assuming they're California made. Huh, okay. So excited. Okay, so this is how they come. There's the hard case glasses. Ooh. I got like a bunch of 50% off coupons that I'll be giving out. Awesome. And I filled something else on the bottom of this little thing here. Oh, yay! It comes with the little tool like did last time. I thought it was just a one-time you get this tool. Every time you order glasses, you get this cool little tool. And it's on a keychain, so you just put it on your keys and you never lose it. And it comes with little little nose things. I hope you can see this. So, and a little more screws. That's awesome. And it comes with a super soft little sack, if you will. Okay. So my glasses, it literally took me 2 seconds to find my glasses. My model number is S as in Sam 985X, and they come in 4 different colors. And when I saw them, I instantly fell in love. And I'm used to like I kind of stick with the stuff I always know or I'm comfortable with, but when I saw these, I stepped out of my element. So anyway, let's take these off here. I've got a headache today. Okay, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm assuming this is my packing slip. And you know what, this is their, this is like their warranty. It says, thanks for trying Firmoo glasses. We hope you are satisfied with your glasses. Try on. If not, please feel free to send us your questions or suggestions. So you do get, I think, a certain amount of time to return or exchange your glasses without penalty, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I'd have to double check on that. But in my email, I remember reading that you get like a 30-day money-back guarantee. But I'm pretty sure. On the other websites I've gone to, they're like, yeah, you can return them, but you got to pay for the shipping to return the glasses, and then you got to pay for the shipping to get your new glasses. So now I'm paying like 3 times the shipping. I might as well just throw those glasses out and go to Firmoo. Okay. Comes with a little cleaner. God, aren't these the cutest? Oh my gosh, I hope they fit. Oh my gosh. I mean, how cute are these? They got like the little cat. Oh my gosh. And they come in different colors, but I thought this like rose gold color was amazing. Okay. I gotta see what I look like in these. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
And see? Those are beautiful.
Aren't they adorable?
They look like owls.
They're little cats, I think. Aren't they so cute?
What's this, a mannequin?
Okay, I'm making a video, so watch out, don't trip.
Oh my gosh, so
I know, aren't they adorable?
I love them.
Well, these are my new glasses, you guys.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Do you like them? Please don't spill that in here, okay?
Can I see the mannequin?
No, I'm making a video. Please go.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, so I'm super excited about these.
I love them.
Yeah, me too. And so are my kids, so that's a good note. So like I said, I mean, there's styles. Bye, Felicia's. There's styles galore to choose from colors. I mean, I think the cheapest one I saw was like $9.99. And how can you go wrong with glasses for $9.99? I think these are like $12.99. I think, I'm not positive, don't quote me, but I mean, even if they were $30, how adorable are they? I mean, these are adorable. So, I love the way they fit. They fit very light on my face. And it doesn't even feel like I have glasses on. But I know I look cute. So, so again, you guys, I mean, try this website. I mean, you can't really go wrong with choosing them. I've used other websites to get glasses, and it takes forever to get your glasses. This took maybe a week or 2. I don't think it even took 2 weeks. Super easy to shop on there. You can go from, you know, men's, women's, I think they even have children's. Do you want plastic? Do you want metal? Do you want circle shapes? I mean, the options are endless. And they're super, like, you can chat with them live. They'll get back to you right away, like, within 24 hours. I think I asked them something and they sent me an email. They'll get back to me, and they got back to me the next day. Great customer service. I mean, I might have to get these in another color. I don't know. I'm super stoked on these. Super stoked. So, look on the bottom. I'm gonna put down the 50% off codes, and I'm gonna put down the excuse me, 15% off. But you know, let's do the 50% while you can. And then I'll put their link below. I mean, you can't really go wrong with super cute glasses. And I don't think, unless you pick some wacky style, I mean, even if that's your thing, pick a wacky style. I don't know if I could pull out, like, this is as wacky as it gets for me. But if you, I mean, they have ones that look like Harry Potter glasses, if that's your thing. I mean, literally everything. So, go ahead and go check them out. God, I love my glasses. I can't stop looking at myself. Super easy experience on buying them. I mean, like I said, you get on, and I was hooked on the first page. I don't think I even made it to, like, the second page. Like, these came up on the first page, and I was like, sold. Those are the ones I want. So, sorry, I keep looking at myself. Like, I don't know. I do that, I mean, are they not adorable? And how about a hair up? Because I usually wear my hair up. So we want to make sure we look cute whether we got our hair up or down, right? I mean, still. I look like that, I look like a librarian, a cute librarian. So, okay, I could go on and on about these. I love them. I can't wait to rock them all the time. And I might go get myself a different color because they're super adorable. Okay, so I'm going to put all the links and everything on below. Go check them out. I am trying to be an affiliate, I guess. So every time you guys use the link below to purchase your glasses, I do get a commission. And that really helps me out as far as making these videos and buying the stuff. And so I'm not, everything's not out of my pocket. So yeah, if there's a link there and you want to buy glasses, use my link, please. So I can buy more cute glasses. Thanks, guys. You guys are awesome. And I will see you on the next one, and go do some shopping. And even if you don't have prescription, go buy yourself some cute non-prescription glasses just to look super cute. So yeah, anyway, okay, I will see you guys next time. Go purchase, go look, go browse, all that good stuff. Don't forget about the coupon codes. You want to get a good discount on those. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.